Today, we'll be talking about the steps to solving a Gay-Lussac problem involving pressure and temperature. Let's start by understanding what the law states. It states that as the temperature of a fixed amount of gas in a fixed volume increases, the pressure increases, showing that they are directly proportional. The Gay-Lussac equation is the initial temperature over pressure, which equals to the second temperature over pressure that results over time. Now, let's jump right into our first practice problem and learn how to find any pressure and temperature with specific given values of pressure and temperature. Practice problem 1. The pressure in a sealed can of gas is 235 kilopascals when it sits at room temperature 20 degrees Celsius. If the can is warmed to 48 degrees Celsius, what would the new pressure inside the can be? First, we'll start off by finding the given temperatures and pressures in order to see what we'll be needing to find. Pressure 1 equals 235 kilopascals. Pressure 2 is what we'll be solving in this problem. Temperature 1 equals 20 degrees Celsius, and temperature 2 equals 48 degrees Celsius. For this problem, it looks like we'll be needing to find the pressure that changed over time with the given initial pressure, temperature, and temperature change. First, we need to make sure we're working in Kelvin temperatures and convert our numbers before we start solving for anything. After we've done all the necessary converting, we'll work through this problem like any other proportion and we'll cross-multiply and divide in order to find the missing value. Looks like our new pressure is 257 kilopascals. Let's move on to practice problem number 2. In the morning, a paintball pressure tank is at 306 atmospheres. The weather heats up over the course of the day, and by 3 p.m. the outside temperature is roasting 38.5 degrees Celsius, and the pressure inside the tank is 324 atmospheres. What was the temperature in degrees Celsius in the morning? For our second practice problem, we will start off by specifying the given pressures and temperatures. Pressure 1 equals 306 atmospheres. Pressure 2 equals 324 atmospheres. Temperature 1 is what we'll be finding in this problem, and temperature 2 is 38.5 degrees Celsius. Once again, we need to make sure to work in Kelvin temperatures before solving the problem. After all conversions, we'll find the missing value, the initial temperature, by cross-multiplying and dividing again. Since our answer is in Kelvin, we need to convert back into Celsius just like it asked in the problem. It looks like our initial temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. And there you have it. After working through 2 practice problems, we hope you've mastered the solving of Gay-Lussac law and picked up when the temperature of a fixed amount of gas in a fixed volume increases, the pressure increases, showing that they are directly proportional.